Hello guys, today in this video we try just to see this solution that a lot of people they choose, which is investing for the long run and without trading. Now understand that you have the choice either to trade stocks and ETFs, or you can invest for the long run. So it is up to you. There is no one who asks you to trade or to invest or to do whatever in your life. But I'm telling you something. Investing and trading, it should be for the whole life. It's not for to do it for 6 months trading or 1 year, 2 years, and then you lose all your money because you don't know how to trade. And then you get the idea because you see a lot of people say, try to invest and you are not going to lose. Okay? So because you stay and you diversify, you do all the stuff and you don't lose. And most of the time you get what S&P 500 index percentage, like 7% or 10% each year or so. Okay? Now, all the people still they think in terms of losing money, and if there is any solution that will help them not lose. For investing, yes. For the long run. Long run, what does it mean? As Warren Buffett said, if you are going to invest, it should be more than 20 years. It's not to invest for 1 year or 2 or 3 and then you get money. You can invest for 10 years and you lose it all in 1 year. You say to me, how did this happen? How? When did this happen? Yes. 2008, for example. 2008. The market has lost 50% of its worth net. It means if you put, let's say you have been investing for 30 years. Okay? Investing like 401k or you bought mutual funds or you bought stocks, whatever is what you do. But you invest. Each paycheck, or if you have business or you have a salary, you take some money each month and you throw it there in the market. Okay? Let's say 10 years of investing. How much you have right now? Okay? You have 100,000, you have 200,000, you invest for 30 years and you have 500,000. This is your money. Okay? Now you are 60 or 65 and you want to relax, to go retire. You have $500,000 and this is too much money, so you can just enjoy yourself. But 2008 comes. 50% of your money is gone. What does it mean? It means you have lost $250,000 in 1 year after making 30 years making this 250,000. So understand that in real there is no safe investment. Whatever they tell you, for example, go to mutual funds. Yes, mutual funds has lost 50% 2008. It could be 60, it could be 70, it could be 45, but it is a high number. So there is no safe thing in investing or in investing in general. So the people, because what is the difference between trading and investing? It is just the time. Okay? For a day trader, you trade half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, or the whole day. You hold the stock for the whole day, for example. You make money. Now, swing trading, you stay days or weeks or months and then you exit. And investing, you stay 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So the main thing between all these styles of trading and investing, what is it? It is just time. It doesn't mean that when you stay longer, you will be making longer. You will be making more. It doesn't mean that. And a lot of people think that investing is safe because you don't sell. This is stupid. In 2008 is an example of a bad year. Now, this bad year, go to any stock. I'm telling you, 99.99 of these stocks, 99.99, have lost 50% in general. Some 60, some 70, some 40, depending on where you are. But all the sectors are down. All the industries are down. Everything is down. Except of IPOs. IPOs, it means there is a momentum. Sometimes you buy an IPO in that year and it was good for that stock. So this is an exception. So it's not investing because it happens only on that year. So for me, whatever you do, understand that there is a risk. Okay? But in general, if you invest for the long run, it means you invest for long. It would be better if you don't want to trade. Because here is the thing. A lot of people trade. A lot of people invest. It depends where you are in the market. But in general, the mood of the market goes sometimes up, sometimes down. And you should see where you are in this investing or trading thing. The bottom line, you should understand that always there is a risk in trading and in investing and anything you do in the stock market. Always try to study this risk. Okay? Let's say you are 70 years old. 70. You are old. Okay? You have $1 million in your account. And then comes 2008 and you lose $500,000 of your money that you have accumulated into 45 years of investing. Are you going to say that investing is safe? Okay? So here I give you a real example. And you will never know when this year comes. This bad year, it comes through cycles. That's why a lot of people, they always say, next year will be a bad year. Will be a bad market. Next year will be... Because they just see the past and they see, after 10 years, the 11th year, it will be bad. So they begin to calculate, and then when the year comes, they begin to go online and say, this year is... Because they see it in the past. But the market doesn't follow these stupid people who are saying bull market, bear market. There is no way to know except what you see. Except what you see. If the year has gone 10%, 20, 30%, in the whole market it is a bull year, it's so strong. Now you describe what you see. You can't describe the future. Never predict what will happen, because this will stop you from taking good decisions. Let's say now the market is good and you are scared to invest because you think that the market will collapse. So maybe you stay 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years and holding your money into your account and thinking when this year will come. So you are scared to invest. Okay? And believe it or not, anyone who is scared of the market will never succeed. The only thing you succeed, either you take risk, you bet, on something or be out of the stock market. Go to do some other kind of businesses. Don't go to the stock market. Stock market is something has a relation with risk, and this risk is known. Okay? The risk is known from the market. It's hidden in the market. Whenever you buy something, understand that it might fall and you may lose money. But it might go up and you make money. Okay? So try to take decisions according to the risk. You understand that there is a risk. Either you invest or you trade stocks or whatever you do in the stock market, there is always a risk. If someone tells you that there is a safe way, he is the biggest liar in the whole stock market. There is no safe thing. Okay? Or there is a formula, or there is something that to become safe and not to lose money. And always you make money. It doesn't exist. Either in investing and trading, it doesn't exist, and it will never exist, and it has never existed before. Okay? So thank you very much for listening, and see you tomorrow.